What's going on, guys? I'm gonna give you guys an update. It's been a minute. I'm looking a little rough, I need to hit up the barber shop, but whatever, man. So y'all remember when I said that the 1 Series is getting a single turbo kit? The turbo kit has finally arrived. Well, it hasn't arrived. I found one local that I got fairly a good price. It's a dark race. I finally did it and pulled the plug on a dark race kit. I couldn't say no to this deal, so I went along with it. And I got too anxious. That's for the lack of words. I got too anxious, and I ended up installing it yesterday. It didn't take me long. I already had the twin turbos out, so it was just like a bare block with no turbos on it installed. I'm gonna show you guys in a second how it looks. All right, guys. So, like I promised, here's the car. I've done a few things on it. I've modified this as a solid and trans cooler. I think y'all have seen it before, or I've talked about it. But yeah, now the AND lines go all the way to the transmission, so no more leaks. Custom headlight delete. I'll do a few more trimming, but not too bad. Not too bad. I redid my hood, my vent. Got some double-sided tape in the back now, so it doesn't really look. It looks a lot better now than it did before. I had to redo everything. All this car, everything got redone. I'll show y'all. Hold on, I'll show y'all. All right, there's a few things I'm missing. My feed is gone, so I got to see where I can get another one. I got to get the right size, or else I'm gonna be flip-flopping through like friggin' 10,000 fittings. I upgraded to the aluminum manifold. It's got 750 cc's injectors, wastegate, IS. I did a bunch of IS modifications. Of course, the single. This time it is a dock race. I'm not running DG anymore. Strictly dock race with a Borg Warner. I'm probably gonna end up getting a Precision later on, probably in a few weeks. We'll see how that goes, if I can find a good one for a good deal. But yeah, so I got a little too anxious. I installed, already got the kit installed. I have to redo the wiring on this. That way I can set it a little bit this way right here with some heat wrap, that way it doesn't burn it. Custom heat shield is gonna get made for this. Of course, this is freshly resealed motor. Everything on this thing is brand new. Valve cover, all the gaskets, front rear main sealed, oil pan, everything. I'm talking about everything. Everything got redone before I put this thing back in. Vader Solutions cash can. I might redo those just so I could mount it somewhere. I don't know yet. I don't know where I'm gonna mount it yet, but the lines are gonna get redone. Yeah, so it's almost close to getting this thing back on the road. I gotta paint the bumper, which isn't really too much. The only reason I'm not finished really is I'm missing some fittings for my boost lines that are gonna go right here. I am doing steel braided 4N lines, like always. I did nylon at first. I had some issues with some burning, or with some of them burning through, just because they sit so close to right here. It depends where you route them, really. Other than that, I'm missing a few pieces for my my hob switch. I got to get the wiring for it and reorder that. Other than that, this car is coming together like it's coming together. Like, I haven't seen this car like this in a while, since I sold that kit, because I kept buying fucked up motors. So I mean, it is what it is. It happens. Other than that, I'm still looking for some wheels. I borrowed some wheels from my buddy for the front, at least, so I could roll this in and out of the shop. And yeah, so we're getting there, man. We're getting there. I'm hoping to see this car running in a few weeks. Just depends on what how long the fittings and all that take. I could run to Summit. I just don't have time. I got a lot of work I got to finish out of the shop, so I don't really have time to go run and, you know, spend 4 hours of my day going back, going to Summit and then coming back. So yeah, that's basically what I have as an update. I'm really excited. Like I said, I would have filmed like a install video, but I got too excited. I had it sitting for maybe I had the kit sitting in my trunk for like a week or two. I got a little too anxious and I decided just to throw it on, see how it fits. I mean, I knew it was gonna fit, but you know, I just wanted the kit on. You know, like I said, I got too excited. But yeah, so pretty soon I'm gonna start filming some videos of some Mexico runs. It's been a while since I've been out, so that's gonna be exciting for me. But yeah, man, catch y'all on the next one. The next video will probably be this car running and some test runs. I gotta hit up my boy Omar, see if we can finalize the tune. It's been a long time, so we'll see. All right, guys, peace.